Hello everyone. Hello guys, how are you? Let me Okay. So I think my voice and everything is audible now. Okay. So guys, this session is basically very special. Just I have taken this session to just I'm taking this session basically to check whether your preparation is up to the mark or not. So I've named it like only toppers can solve this. This is the first point I've given, that only toppers can solve it. Okay. So basically I'll discuss the DI for the mains level, okay, and also some of the questions of quant also, right? And I'll also discuss the quant. So basically 2-3 questions we will be discussing, and I'll start checking. Basically I'll start checking that whether you guys are thinking like that, means you guys are at the verge of solving the problem, or you are saying, sir, okay, we don't know, so please guide us. So I will be guiding you guys. For amazing questions and said, you can join my plus classes, which is happening at 5 p.m. daily. I take my plus classes on Oliveboard. Okay, so there you can join me at 5 p.m. So those who are interested, they can join Oliveboard. Okay, 5 p.m. Do not forget. Before starting this, I would like to discuss about very important thing, which is we have, as I said, if you want to get started with me, you should go for banking super elite batch. Banking super elite batch. One plan, all courses, 2000 plus test. SS2 all courses, English Hindi medium, 3000 plus live classes, and 2000 plus test with AI analysis and reattempt mode, and everything you will get under one roof. Secondly, I would like to discuss that how you can differentiate. Basically, a lot of students ask me, sir, how can we differentiate about the super elite course and the normal course? These are the differentiating part which you can see. You can get access to all the bank exams, 3000 plus classes, 2000 plus test, class PDFs, everything is enabled here. So if you want to go, you can go here also. Now again, today we have something very important, which is every day you ask me, sir, what is today's winning strategy? So guys, I would say today's winning strategy is very important. What? Try this, try always practice for the toughest question. Always practice the toughest question, means I would say level of difficulty of the question should be 3 or 4, so that in the D day you can say and come out, sir, questions were very easy. So my point is that you should have this ability to say, okay sir, we are solving LOD 3 and 4. LOD means level of difficulty. So let me write down. LOD means level of difficulty. I always say level of difficulty. So when you solve level of difficulty 3 and 4, you can easily qualify your mains exam. Easily, trust me. But what wrong thing you are doing, everyone? You are solving level 1 and level 2 and just developing your confidence in a wrong way. So when you will try to give the exam, you will find out, okay sir, the question were a bit tougher. My point is that you should solve the level of difficulty either 3 or 4, so that in the exam you should say, this is very easy question, sir. Okay, so you can also join our Telegram group, which is mentioned here. You can scan this QR code and join the Telegram group also. Let me show you without wasting the time, I'll show you the questions. So guys, be ready everyone. I guess you guys are ready. I'll give you for every question, I'll give you like times. Okay. So this is the question. I hope this is visible to all of you. Please read it properly and then try answering. This is the question. This is again, I would say, short of caselet. This is a caselet. Caselet, okay. Just try. Let me give you the. This question is visible, I guess. Let me make it one bigger. Yeah, now I guess this is visible, okay. So let me give you the timings. So the timer would be, I would say, 5. I'll give you the time for 5 minutes. And the slogan would be hashtag don't give up. Hashtag don't. I would say hashtag be positive. Hashtag be positive. Come on. You can solve, please solve. Try reading the question. Okay. Let me say to everyone that whether you guys are there or not. Okay, so 3 minutes left. Come on. Everything is in front of you. You just need to solve a question. And I'll try my level best to make you understand this question first. Okay. Come on, guys, please solve. I guess you guys are solving. I guess you guys are solving. I guess you guys are solving. We have like 2 minutes left. See, basically why I have taken this again, I would say, because this question checks your logical thinking plus, you know what, how you tackle the question. That's why I given a tag that be positive. I've given a tag be positive. Be positive, everyone, when you solve such kind of question. Correct? Slowly we'll learn the things and we'll see that. Please, first I'll say read out. And do not forget, this is content by Agnimitra. Don't be in hurry because you're learning something. Please, I'm saying don't be in hurry. A lot of banking aspirants are like that. They are in hurry. Okay, sir, I'll solve. They go with the crowd that everyone is solving DI. We'll also solve DI. But in the exam, they say, okay, ये तो हमने किया ही नहीं था. It's not like that. We will be understanding very different things today. Okay. Good morning, Vani Shri. How are you? I hope you are great. I hope you are great. Let's see this question, Vani Shri. Okay, so guys, we are reading this question, everyone. See the point. A, B, C, D, where means time is up. I have given you the enough time to for while reading the question, and we have like 3 questions as well. Motive is that first you need to understand. See, these are not normal questions, I would say. Okay, these are not normal questions. So when I prepare these questions, I am very much sure that you should understand the logic behind it, how to attack. Basically, the point is that how to attack these kind of set. Okay. So we have A, B, C, D were distributed with 12 shirts. So basically they were A, B, C, D were distributed with 12 shirts, each bearing a different number. So this is basically number, everyone. This is basically number among 1 to 12. No two person got the same number of shirts. So basically all the person, can I say, no two person got the same number of shirts. So basically all the persons are having the different shirt. All the prime number shirts are owned by B. That's very nice. Both the shirts owned by A bears even number. Okay, both the shirts. The number of the shirt, the sum of the number of the 2 shirts of C is the same as the sum of the number of all the shirts of A. That is also clear. All the number on any of the shirts C got is not the square of a prime number. Basically, C, this point is very critical, everyone. This point is very critical. Okay, neither the shirt number 1 nor the shirt number 9 is with B. C received the shirt number 12. I hope this is clear. C received the shirt number 12. So basically, guys, how can we attack this kind of question? So let me make this clear to all of you. Okay, see, I hope you guys are topper. You are well prepared for the exam, but give me a second. Let me make you understand. A, B, C and D were distributed 12 shirts and no 2 shirts got the same number. So can I say one thing, that we need to distribute 12 shirts to 4 guys, and the distribution should be in such a way that none of 2 are getting the same kind of shirts. But the point is that there must be the distribution that A, see, the point is that there must be the distribution like A, then B, then C, then D. Okay, let's say this is getting X shirt, this is getting Y shirt, this is getting Z shirt, and this is getting W shirts. So basically, guys, X plus Y plus Z plus W would be 12. Okay, so I need to first of all the attack should be what? Means how need to think about it. I need to break 12 in such a way that the sum should be 12. Okay, and the numbers are different. I need to break 12 in such a way that the sum should be 12 and the numbers are different. Can you guess out that how can you break that 12? I give you the first hint. See, first is 1 and 2. How much it is? 3. 1 and 2, 3. Then you can give 4 and 5. This is the breakage, no? 4 plus 5 is 9 plus 3 is 12. So maybe I don't know the orders, but this should be the distribution. Is there any other case possible? You will say, okay sir, one case is possible. See, maybe 1 shirt would be at D, maybe 2 shirts would be at C, maybe 4 shirt would be at 5, maybe B, maybe 5 shirt would be at C. This is possible, na? Sum is 12 and everyone is getting different shirts. So when I'll distribute the shirts, I'll keep in mind that nobody should get a same number of shirt. This has been clear from these 2 points, where this has been clear that no 2 person got the same number of shirts and all the prime number shirts are owned by B. That is other part that will be we will be clearing when we'll solving the further set. Now, can the distribution be different also? Why not? Why not? If I increase, see, if I increase 1, if I do 2, if I decrease 3, 4, if I decrease 4 by 1, 3, then I'll increase this by 5 by 1, 6, 5 becomes 6. Only these 2 cases are possible, case number 1 and case number 2. I hope till now this is clear to everyone. I hope till now it is clear to everyone. What I am saying, we are distributing 12 shirts in such a manner that the sum is 12, but none of them are getting the equal same number of shirts. Okay, but none of them getting the same number of shirts. So the distribution should look like one would get 2 and one would get 1. Any of A, B, C, D would get either 1, either 2, either 4, either 5. If we'll sum this, we'll getting 12. First logic is this one. So now I'll prepare the two cases, because earlier because I got the two cases, so I'll write down the two cases only. Okay, let me just make this short so that I can write it. Okay, so this is my question and let me make this short. So basically I got the two cases. One is, I'll put one line, one is 1 and 2 and I would say 4 and 5. One is 1, 2, I would say 3 and 6. Only these two cases are possible. Okay, this is the distribution of the shirts. I hope so this is clear. Now again, when I'll read the point, I'll also mention that okay, they have said that all the prime number shirts are owned by B. This has not been said by me, this has been said by the question. Okay guys, simple distribution. If you're okay, then please solve with me. Okay, please solve this with me, everyone. If you're okay with it, I would say please solve with me. So B is owning all the prime number shirts. Now can you say, you write down the 12 number, by the way. If you write down the 12th number, no, like this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many prime numbers are there? So you'll see that we are having different prime numbers. Okay, we are having 2 as in prime number, 3 as a prime number, 5 and 7 and 11, right? So basically how many prime number shirts are there? 5. 5, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 7, 11. Is it right? Anything else? Anything else? So basically, can I say that B is having total 5 number of shirts in the first case? I hope. Vanisri, you got this? Oh, Vanisri, you got this? I hope you got this. So B is having basically how much? 5 number of shirts. This is clear. So B is having basically 5 number of shirts. Okay, fine. So this is clear. Okay. So if B is having like 5 number of shirts, then I would write all the 5 shirts to B, which is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, which is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. I'm just solving the case number 1 just to make you understand. Okay, fine. I hope one you are getting this. Let's come to the second part. Now second, they are saying that both the shirts owned by A. So basically A owns only 2 shirts. So you'll write that A owns only 2 shirts. Okay, fine. So A is owning 2 shirts and they are saying that both the shirts owned by A bear a even number. So guys, that could be anything. Okay, even number in this box is 4 also, is 6 also, is 8 also, is 10 also. So basically I'll not put this point because I don't confirm from here, but I know that. Okay, see, this is fine. So we have done this one and this one, only 4 and 1 are left. No. Okay, let's see. See, the sum of the numbers on the 2 shirts of C is same as the number of all shirts of A. So basically guys, again this is pretty much clear that sum of the numbers on 2 shirts of the C means C is having more than 2. So C can have, if C is having more than 2, then C can have 4, and by this I can give D as in 1. Okay. Now again they are saying that C is also having one, which one? A 12 number shirt. See, they are saying that they are saying that wait a minute, they are saying that neither the shirt number 1 nor the shirt number 9 is okay. C received 12 number shirts, so I'll give the 12 number shirts to C. So basically C is one shirt is 12, it is known. And now they are saying that now they are saying what? Now they are saying that the sum on the numbers of 2 shirts of C is same as the sum of the numbers of all shirts of A. 2 shirts would be equal to all shirts of A. Is it possible? Can I put any number and then I can check or not? Please confirm. Like what? Come on, say. See, a lot of cases are possible, but we'll think. Now, anyone can think about it, that which number can I put? See, suppose I am saying that, suppose in C4, because three places are left, I can put 1 also, I can put 6 also, okay, and I need two even number as well, so I put 1 and 6, then I can put 8 also, fine. Now, if I'll put 8, I know that the sum is basically 14. If sum is coming 14, then two shirts sum should be also 14, or it is 18, or it is like 9, like that. So basically, to get 14, can I put 4 and 10 here? Yes. Now this case is valid. Now we put the number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 4, 10, 1, 6, 8, 12. What number we haven't put? D is only left with the place number 9. So have you understood? This is the condition where we can solve case number 1. This is only because of case number 1, correct? And which is final. Vanishri, you got this? Which is pretty much final, no? We got this. This is the case. This is the case where, guys, we got 5 shirts, all are different. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. A got 2 shirts, 4 and 10. C got 4 shirts, A got 2 shirts. C got 4 shirts, 1, 6, 8 and 12. And D got shirt number 1, which is 9. Is it correct? I hope Vani, you are live. My voice is audible now. Now see, I cannot say that only this case is possible, because the sum is also coming 12 in this case. Yes, no. Sum is also coming 12 in this case. So how can I say this is only possible? It's not possible. Now see, now this is how you can twist the statement. What it has been said that all the prime number shirts are owned by B. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense that we don't have even or odd number. B is having the prime number, but we can have other number as well. So for this case, I will give my B a 6. Correct. I'll give my B a 6. I'll give my A as 2. I'll give my C as 3, and D again I'll give 1. So basically, first I'll fill B with all the prime numbers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and I'll put like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. I don't know the one number, so I'll keep it. I'll not like go for like C is having the 3 numbers, so 1 is 12, that is confirmed, and other two sum should be what? Other two sum should be the A sum. A is having the 2 places, though if I'll sum this, I will get the A places. So is it possible? Is it possible? See, if I put 8 here, now let's change it. If I put 8 here, if I put 10 here, 18 is coming. And can I put 6 here? 12 and 6 is 18. Makes sense? Makes sense. I'll put 1 here. Now, D is, now they're saying that neither 1 and 9. 1 and 9 cannot be at the D place. So B is having one more places left. So what should be D? Anything about D? No, nothing. So can I say D? Let's say D would be 9 only, and B is having one more number, which is 4. This case is also possible, na? Even though this is also 12, this is also 12, this is the case number 1, this is the case number 2. So both the cases are possible. Good morning. So can I say both the cases are possible? Yes, of course. Yes, of course, guys. Please have a look. Both the cases are possible. Understand the question what they are saying. A is having 2, A is having 2, C is having 3, D is having 1. Again, B is having 5, A is having 2, C is having 4, and D is having 1. What is the maximum possible difference between the sum of number on all the shirts of any two person? What is the maximum sum? Come on, say. Is it 22 or 23? What is the maximum possible difference between the sum of numbers on all shirts of any two person? Come on, difference should be 23. Maximum possible is 23. I hope you got this, Vani. What is the minimum possible difference between the sum of numbers on all the shirts on any two? What is the minimum possible? Can it be 5? All the shirts, it is 9 and 14. So 14, 9, 5. 5 is the answer. Fine, done. Have you understood the logic? So see why students do not solve such kind of question, because they don't think in such a manner. They don't think in, and this is simple question, simple. I have just done it, simple question, but you don't solve such kind of question. So you get trouble in the examination when you get such question, which is including of logic plus the concept. What is the concept? Concept is of number system. This question is based on the number system. Let me ask you one more question, okay? I hope you understood. Let me just ask you one more question. So guys, can you solve? Come on. A very good question, I would say. Again, I have taken the 2 questions from here. Please solve. Giving you 2 minutes of time because this question is really, really nice. So I will give you like 2 minutes of time, not more than that. Please solve. I've given you 2 minutes. Read it. Interesting. Try solving such kinds of question. I would always say to all of you, try solving such kind of question. These are very, very good questions. Develop your analytical thinking. Again, you will not find such kind of question anywhere else, because you have 2 months to go for your, I would say, more than 2 months for your mains exam. So you can experiment right now. You cannot experiment when you have 1 month left or like 1.5 months left. You can experiment right now. You can be logical as much as possible. Vani, please, you are reading the question, and you guys don't comment. Please comment, guys. You are reading the question, Vani? I hope so. You are reading the question. Only 11 seconds are left now. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, fine. Let's read it. Okay, fine. Devanand, Vani, everyone can solve this. A very good set this is, okay? Again, you'll learn lot of things. Take ABCD, a 4-digit number, okay? And they're saying that you should take a 4-digit number with at least 2 different digits. This should be known to everyone. Okay, I'll put a line. Arrange the digits in descending order and then ascending order to get 2 numbers, largest and smallest. Okay, so you need to arrange that number in such a way that first one should be descending order and then in the ascending order, and in order to get a 2 number, a largest number and a smallest number. Okay, always make a 4-digit number by adding leading zeros if necessary. Okay, step number 3, subtract the larger number from the smaller number. Step number 4, go back to the step 2 and then repeat. Okay, and then we have 2 questions. If you start with 8640, so they have given me the number and they are saying to start with it. Let us start. Okay, so if I start with 8640 and if I need to repeat the steps 8640, if I subtract, again this is my largest number because descending order from bigger to smaller, so I'll arrange in the ascending order 0468. So if I'll do 0468, then I need to subtract it. What if I subtract? I'll get 2718. So I'll get, wait a minute, 8712. I'll get 8712. Please check. Okay. Again, I'll do the same step. What I'll do? I'll do the same step. What I'll do? I'll write 8, 7, 2, 1. Ascending order, descending order, then ascending order. 1, 2, 7, 8. I'll subtract. What I'll get? I'll get 3, 4, 4, 7. Okay. Again, I'll do the same thing, which is what? Again, I'll do the same thing. 7, 4, 4, 3 minus 3, 4, 4, 7. First descending order and then ascending order, correct? For descending order, then ascending order. What I'll get? I'll get 6, 9, 9, 3. Fine. Then I'll arrange in descending order, which is 9, 9, 3, 6. Then ascending order 3, 6, 9, 9. What I'll get? Subtract everyone. 16, 9. What I'll get? Come on. 9, 9, 3, 6 minus 3, 6, 9, 9. 6, 2, 6, 4. Is it right? I hope so. Have I done anything wrong? No, no. Have I done right? Okay, this, okay, fine, fine. That should be, I have done right now. 8, 8, 7. Okay, this is what? Okay, okay, 8, 1, 7, 2. Wait a minute. 8, 1, 7, 2. This is 8, 1, 7, 2. Yeah, but I have written here right. Fine now? Is it fine now? Please check. Can you please check, Vani? Vani, can you please check? Is it right now? Now this would be 6, 6, 4, 2 minus 2, 4, 6, 6. What it will come? 6, 6, 4, 2, 2, 4, 6, 6. Come on, say. This is 6, 7, 1, 4. Now again I'll write 7, 6, 4, 1. 7, 6, 4, 1 minus 1, 4, 6, 7. Please take the calculation. Isn't I'm doing wrong? I think I'm doing right. But okay, that's fine. I'll get what? I'll get 4, 7, 1, 6, 1, 7, 4. Okay. Now again I'll do 7, 6, 4, 1. Okay, I'm getting the same number now, no? 7, 6, 4, 1. 7, 6, 4, 1 minus 1, 4, 6, 7. I get the same number, 6, 1, 7, 4. Is it right? Is it wrong? Which is wrong? Anything wrong? Anything wrong? I don't think so. Is anything wrong? Which one is wrong, Vani? Which one is wrong? Step number 1. Step number 1 is right. Step number 2 is right. Step 3 is right. Step 4 is right. Step 5 is right. Step 6 is also right. This is the step 7. Hmm, 6, 8, 9, 4. 6, 8, 9, 4. Where? How come? Which one? Step, please write down the steps. Can you write down the steps? Which steps you're talking? Eight, 7, 2, 1. 8, 7, 2, 1 minus. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, wait, I have done something wrong. 7. No, 8721 minus 1728, 7443 only, na? Is it right? How you are subtracting? 8721, 1183, 1174, 624, 817. Is it right? One, it's right. 1183, 1174, 642. Correct, no? Fine, I would say this is right. Okay, let's find out. I think it's correct. So if you start with 8640 and the process in step 2 and step 3 is counted as one iteration. Okay, this is 1, this is 1 and 2 is one iteration. Okay. Now, how many iterations a repetition of number if we keep on repeating the step 2 and 3. So this is my step, I would say 2 and 3. So I am repeating this one. So this is step 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I am getting how many iteration I am getting the same number. This is the same number 6174. Come on, say. Wait. 8640. Is it right, Vani? I don't know what you're doing. Okay. So basically, guys, can I say that step 6 we are getting the repetition of number which is 6174. Here also we are getting 6174. Correct? So steps 6 are required. 6 is the answer. Please make yourself 864 060 0468 is 8172 108 1082. Okay, 4 14 6 7. Is it fine now? 13 and 6 is 7. Given 1, 5 minus 1, 5, 4 1 and 8 8. 8172 is there. Now I need to arrange this in descending order. 8721 minus 1278. 1184. 1184, 1174, 6 and 2, 4 and 6 and 2, 4, 8 and 1, 7, 7443. Is it right? So basically in the 6th step you are getting the same number. Repetition should be same. Simple subtraction is there, nothing wrong. 8640, this is 8640 minus 060468, 8172. 8721 minus 1278, 7443. 7443 minus 3447. You will get the same answer. Okay. Now, the interesting one is this: the number obtained in question number 1 can be written as. Can the number obtained in the question number 1 can be written as this form? It means number is basically what? Can you say? Now, guys, this number which is 6174. 6174 is nothing but, if you'll search in the Google, they'll say this is Kapraker's constant. Again, I'm repeating, if maybe my spelling would be wrong. This is Kapraker's constant. Okay. 6174 is a number which is called Kapraker's constant. Okay. Now you can say that if you'll add this number 6 plus 1 plus 7 plus 4, you are getting what? 6 plus 4 is 10. You are getting 18, correct? So that number sum is 18. When you divide this 6174 by 18, you will get 343. The beauty of this number. And this number 6174 can be written 18 to the power 1 plus 18 to the power 2 plus 18 to the power 3. So that x, in the last question, x to the power 1 plus x to the power 2 plus x to the power 3 is nothing but 6174. Correct? So this is basically a number, and remember this number is Kapraker's constant. Okay, you can search in Google, you'll get about beauty about this number. This is very a good number, by the way. Okay, so now this question have been done. I hope you got the logic. You can try this any number, guys. You can take any number, but keep in mind this step you can repeat with any number. Just keep in mind, always make a 4-digit number by adding leading zeros if necessary. So that number should be 0, means that number should not be like, you should not take like 0489. That would be 3-digit number. Always take such number 8640 or 4-digit number. Then you can repeat it, and then you can arrange that number in ascending order, then subtract. You can do the same thing with 3-digit number as well. And if you will do this with 3-digit number, no, see, when you will do the same thing with 3-digit number, you will get Ramanujan number. You will get a Ramanujan number. Can anyone comment? You can comment this, okay? Let's come to, so guys, we are solving like slowly, do not be in hurry. We solved 2 sets, okay? We solved 2 sets. Let us go for a quant question also. Yeah, this is, yeah. Can you try this? Everyone answer. Guys, I would request all of you to share the session to all of your friends so that they should get knowledge about. Now, 45 students of a class took a French, 35 took Spanish, and 20 took German language. Now, you need to make a Venn diagram for this. So, basically, come on guys, try fast. You all can answer me this question. 1, 2, and 3. And you can make like students in different perspective: French, German, and Spanish. French, German, Spanish. 45 students took French, and see, this is the case of overlapping. 35 took Spanish and 20 took German language. Can you make like that? 5 took all the 3 languages, so you can put 5 here. Fast everyone. 15 took both French and Spanish. 15 took both French and Spanish. So 5 is there, this would be 10. 10 took both French and German. French and German 10. So this is 5, this would be 5. They haven't said only. This is easy. And 5 took both German and Spanish. German and Spanish. German and Spanish 5. 5 took both German and Spanish. Yeah, this is 5. Wait a minute, I need to also, okay. French was what? French, 45 student of a class took French, 35 student, 45. This is 10, 20. Then I need to give 25, no? So I'll give 25 here. Correct. This is now 45. And 35 took Spanish, in which we are having like 10. In which we are having like 10. So how can you fulfill other part? Okay, fine. 15 took both French and Spanish. Fine. This is 10. If I would give 10 to this, is it possible if I give 10 to this? Become 20. 35 took Spanish and 20 took German. Acha, 20 took German. Okay, 35 took Spanish. If 35 took Spanish, this is 15. Rest I'll give this 20. So this would be 0. Correct? This should be 0. Find the total number of students in the class if each student of the class took at least one of the language. So you need to just add all. 25, 10, 5, 5, 10, 20. 25, 10, 5, 5, 10, 20. 25, 10, 35, 10, 45, 30, 75 is the answer. Correct? This was easy. And this is in homework, guys. Can you just answer this question in the homework? Comment this question, everyone. I'm giving you homework. You guys don't answer. If you will not answer this question, in an examination comprising T questions, Arnab Goswami correctly solved 15 of the first 24 questions. Out of the remaining question, he answered the 1/4 of the correctly. If he was able to correctly answer 40% of the question in the paper, overall, how many possible values of T we can assume? Either 2, either 3, either 1, either 5. This is in homework. I hope you are enjoying it. I'll maintain the content level, everyone, and you'll enjoy the class. Is it guarantee that? And you learn every day, you learn something new. This is my assurance to all of you. Till then, I hope you really enjoyed the class. Do not forget to come to my paid classes where I teach these kind of set very differently. So you can join me in my paid classes. This is homework, guys, which is happening at 5 p.m. daily. This is my advanced batch for SBI. Advanced batch for SBI PO. Okay. Till then, bye guys. Signing off, Agnimitra. Bye. Take care. Bye bye.